Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare EPA U18 PSS versus Persija. We'll dive into their recent match history and analyze how each team has been performing. You'll get a clear picture of their strengths and weaknesses, helping you understand the dynamics of this exciting matchup. We'll also look at some standout players and their contributions. Let's examine the core strengths of each team. EPA U18 PSS often demonstrates a robust defense, making it tough for opponents to score. On the other hand, Persija frequently showcases an aggressive offense, creating many scoring opportunities. However, both teams have specific areas where they could enhance their game, such as midfield control or set-piece execution. Now, let's focus on some key player matchups that could define the game. The battle in the midfield will be vital, as these players dictate the pace and flow. Strikers from both sides will be looking to capitalize on every chance, aiming for a high scoring rate. Meanwhile, the defenders will play a critical role in shutting down attacks and maintaining a strong backline. Based on our analysis, this match between EPA U18 PSS and Persija is set to be incredibly competitive, with both teams eager for a win. We anticipate a very close scoreline, perhaps a 1-0 victory for either side, depending on who seizes their opportunities. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this comparison.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.